Hi everyone. Today we are going to make a simple and fun Arduino project turning on an LED using a push button. Let's get started. For this project you will need an Arduino board, Nano or Uno, one LED, one push button, a 220 ohm resistor, a breadboard and some jumper wires. We are going to connect the LED to the Arduino and the button to the Arduino separately. The negative terminal of the LED goes to the ground pin of the Arduino. The positive terminal goes to the pin number 8. The button one pin goes to the digital pin number 2 and the other pin goes to the ground. We'll also use an internal pull-up resistor in code, no need for an external one. First, I am initializing the variables for the pin numbers. Enter variable is LED on, which stores whether the LED is currently on or not. In setup, I am going to set the button pin as an input pull-up. In this mode, Arduino keeps the pin high, which becomes ground if it is short circuited to the ground pin, and LED pin as output as usual, and I am going to turn off the LED by writing digitalRead low. We are going to create a function called handle button press, which is basically going to handle the button press. So it will do some calculation as to what to do when the button is pressed. If the button was pressed, first we are going to print out that the button was pressed. Then we will check whether the LED was on or not by checking the variable. If it is 0, that means the LED is off. So we are going to turn on the LED by doing a digitalRead and set the variable as 1. The next time we click it, the variable will be 1 and the next code will be triggered, that is the LED is on, so we will turn it off and change the variable to 0. We are going to keep a 500 millisecond delay so that a single click is not recognized as multiple clicks. And finally, in the loop, we are just going to read the button pin to be low. I have also replicated the project in Tinkercad for those of you who don't have the Arduino. And that is it.